Hello there, my name is Mario Bartholomew, and I'm thrilled to have you join me in this video on Systeme.io for beginners. This is a mini tutorial covering the 7 steps to get you started. In this video, we unlock the secrets to creating your own affiliate funnel in just 7 steps using Systeme.io from scratch, which would be the free registration version. These steps gave me the freedom to work from anywhere at any time, whether it's on a beach resort, from home, or anywhere else. So what are the 7 steps to generate your first affiliate funnel? The 7 steps are Systeme.io registration, your Systeme.io dashboard, your payment setup, your domain name setup, building the web pages, which is your funnel creation, the ability to manage emails, capture emails, and send emails, and then testing to ensure Systeme.io automates everything, allowing you the freedom to be anywhere at any time. Before we continue with this mini tutorial, I'm excited to offer you a powerful ebook titled 3 Proven Steps on How to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job with High-Ticket Affiliate Marketing. This ebook perfectly complements this Systeme.io mini tutorial. So please stick around and watch this video till the end, and I'll show you how to grab this life-changing ebook. To understand how we apply the 7 steps to create an affiliate funnel, we should look at this diagram here that I've created, which I've called the primary objective. So the way it works is we have a squeeze page or magnet lead page, which has an offer, a free offer maybe, or a discount for the affiliate product. This entices the customer to want that. So he puts his email in, the system responder collects that email, and then that takes him to what I would call an opt-in page or a bridge page, which has the affiliate link. And this page will describe a little bit more about the affiliate product. On clicking the button on this page, he's then taken with the affiliate link to the actual product to make the purchase. And that's when we get paid. And Systeme basically tracks this whole process. It gives us the ability to collect emails and look at the dashboard when we get paid. Let's start with step 1. What we need to do before we even register is just look at the features that Systeme.io has. We're more focused on email marketing and our sales funnel and the website builder. And even before you register, if you look at the free account, and all we're going to use is actually a small part contacts. These are the number of emails that you can harvest, up to 2,000. We can send out unlimited emails. We can have free funnels, sales funnels. We're only looking at one in our example. Funnel steps. In our case, we're just going to have one, which is our opt-in page. And then the only other 2 things you'll need to do is set up a payment, because we want to be able to earn income. So that is basically step 1. With step 2, sign in and get yourself familiar with the pages in Systeme that you need to look at. The first is your dashboard, your main dashboard showing the activities and the emails harvested, right? And below that, you have the affiliate dashboard, which shows your earnings. Over here, you have a list of all your emails harvested, and you can sort them. And then over here, you've got your funnels, which we'll come to in later steps. And then over here, you've got the ability to create newsletters or campaigns, which we'll look at in step 6. So really, at the end of the day, these are the only pages that you need to be concerned on with this step. So just become familiar with that. And I find that when things are running and you've set everything up, the only one you look at is really your affiliate dashboard to see how much you've earned each day. So for step 3, we would like to ensure that our profile, our settings are all set up so that we can receive payments. So you'll get this message: to receive payments, you'll need to fill in your profile. So it's all very simple. Go to settings and make sure your profile is all correct. You need to make sure this is the same address as in your bank account details, for example, your Stripe bank account and PayPal. So over here, we're only interested in the first 4 of these. Okay, the second one is account. There's nothing to do there. Just set your time zone and time format. And my plan, as we said, you're already on the free plan. And then you've got your payment gateways to set up. And when they're set up correctly, like I've done here myself on my active Systeme IO, you'll get a confirmation that it's all set up. So it's quite simple to get your payment set up so you can be paid directly into your accounts. Let's now have a quick look at step 4, domain name setup. So the lead magnet page and the opt-in page have to come from a domain name that you've set up, which is a website. To get this started, there are a number of choices, and I always suggest to have a website name that is ending in .com, and we also want the email to be the same domain name. Now, there are many ways to do this. In my case, I've used namecheap.com, which allows hosting, also has a private web mail client, and or you could use email forwarding. The trouble with email forwarding is that it goes to a different email that will not have the same domain name. It could go to your Gmail, but then if you have to respond to the customer, it's not very professional. So my view on this is get yourself a domain name that's reflects your business or your personality, preferably a .com. Ensure that the email is the same domain name. This can be done in Namecheap. And then all you need to do is connect Systeme IO to the domain name. So to connect domain name to Systeme, you go to the settings under custom domains. You add your domain using add, and there are instructions here, which has an article on how to configure it in your hosting provider. In my case, I use namecheap.com, and these need to be added in the hosting records. So it's a little bit more complicated, but you only need to do it once, and then later we can see how to test it. Now let's look at step 5, which is actually creating your web page funnel. So to do that, on the menu, select funnels. You'll have here the previously created ones. And if you want to create a new one, you want to give it a name. But before you do that, understand what you need to do here. What I'm showing you is build an audience. So we select that, we give it a name. Here you'll have a list of domain names that you would have created in step 4, and select your currency depending on where you are. In this case, I select US dollar and then click save. Then click on the funnel. First thing you do is you need to design your squeeze page. You can duplicate, move, remove. I'm just going to pick a squeeze page like that, and it's going to be your top level, and you give it a name, my squeeze page or my magnet lead. You can click save if you want to save that. You can go on and actually edit the page. So this would come up, and you can select pop-up. This would give you the ability to collect your emails, or the customer goes to the lead page and he would get a pop-up to enter. So it's all quite straightforward. You can save your changes, exit up the top. So if I go to my active site, one can see what I've done here. So we've got a lead magnet page, we've got the bridge op page, and it's good to have a privacy and policy page, which would be on your lead magnet. So if I edit that page, we can see what it looks like. And when you click on the free ebook, it brings up the email pop-up. And down here, you've got your privacy and terms, which are your extra steps by clicking here, but you don't need any more than that. So it's pretty straightforward to create your first funnel. So now we're going to look at step 6, which is emails. On the top of the menu in Systeme, you have 3 options under emails: newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. We're going to focus on campaigns. Newsletters, you can create a newsletter and broadcast that newsletter email to all your contacts. In our case, we'll look at campaigns. I've already have a campaign running, but it's easy to create one. So let's create a new campaign. So new campaign, and you give it a description. And now it comes up here. You have option to duplicate it, share it, change the settings, which is just what we did when we created it, or remove it. You then click on it. It's now empty. So each action up here now is to create a new email that will be sent out at the preferred intervals to each contact. So you then create a subject, a sender's name, and the email. And as I mentioned in step 4 in domain setup, we want it to be that email. And that takes us into the editor to build the body of the email. You've got the ability to add images. You can pick an image and add it here. You can add text. And when you're ready, you just save, or you can also save and test and send this email to any email to see what it looks like. So it's all pretty straightforward. So when you're ready with the body of the email, you can save and publish. And you now have the option when this email should go out. Here are the options. So this being the first email, you might want it to go out after 1 day. So you can choose the time, or you can choose the days on which the email goes out. And then you just activate it. And if we save and then we exit, we have our first email, right? So now you could duplicate that email, confirm, right? It's now email 2. You alter it, save, or save and publish, and say it goes out after email 1, but it goes out after 2 days, and so on. We're sending these emails out to all the contacts that have been harvested through the opt-in page that we described in the previous section in step 5. So you can see once you've set all this up, it's very easy just to leave it alone and start generating traffic to your magnet lead, either via YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and so on. And it's all automated. There's nothing for you to do. I hope that makes good sense. We're now at step 7, and we would like to do some testing and just go over a few things. So the test involves going from the squeeze page to the opt-in page and ensuring the email is captured by Systeme. Firstly, go to your funnels menu in Systeme, and then the first thing you want to do is go to the lead magnet website and make sure that this particular URL, which is your domain name that you created, works properly. And to do that, you just click on the view funnel step, and the customer goes from the squeeze page to the opt-in page by entering an email. You'll find it in this list under contacts, and on the dashboard you will see an event indicating you've captured a customer's email. You can view the opt-in page by clicking on the view funnel step. These are the 2 most important tests that you need to do. And you can do that by putting any valid email into your squeeze page on the pop-up and ensuring that it's captured by Systeme, and then it takes you to the opt-in page. All right, that's a wrap on this quick mini tutorial where I've showed you how to create affiliate funnels in 7 steps using Systeme.io. I will be releasing focused videos on each of these steps, so please let me know in the comments which step you would like me to dive deeper into. As I mentioned earlier, I've got a complimentary ebook titled The Free Proven Steps to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job with High-Ticket Affiliate Marketing. This ebook perfectly complements this tutorial. So I would be immensely grateful if you could support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and visiting my lead magnet, where you'll find the download button for the ebook. You can find the link in the pinned comments or in the description below. Now, with the combined power of Systeme.io software, this mini tutorial for beginners and the free ebook altogether, I'm sure it'll fast track your journey to creating automated affiliate funnels for all your affiliate products. Imagine the freedom to work from anywhere, anytime. Thank you so much for tuning into my Systeme.io for Beginners mini tutorial. Thank you.